From the moment I first toured Southwestern University, I knew that this was the right place for me. I went to a small high school and I wanted a similar college experience at a place that valued community. And I absolutely fell in love with Southwestern's tree-lined campus, and I realized that this was a place rooted in community. Throughout my time at Southwestern, I have learned that this couldn't be more true. What I love most about being on a smaller campus is that I'm not just a face in a crowd, but I genuinely get to know my classmates and my professors. I made friends for life through my sorority, shout out Alpha Delta Pi, and SUA, the Southwestern Artists Association. It has been such a blessing to find a group of friends who have similar values and appreciate me for me. When I began my Southwestern experience, I was initially a biology major pursuing a career in the medical field. However, deep down, I always knew my passion was for studio art, and that's just something I've loved since a young age. I was able to switch my major to studio art, a decision that has provided me with some amazing opportunities. Through my internship at Hallam Design and Consulting, I've been able to use my skills to literally bring ideas to life. I have had the opportunity to work with companies like contiguous, where I was able to work on a team that converts 2D designs into 3D renderings using CAD technology. And then we were able to print them in a variety of forms. One of my favorite projects recently has been helping to design a stainless steel belt buckle. In pursuit of my French minor, I was able to study abroad to Grenoble, France. It was a life-changing experience that pushed me out of my comfort zone in a good way. I was able to fully immerse myself in a foreign culture and language, and I began to really appreciate simple day-to-day tasks like ordering coffee or taking a train to Switzerland. After graduation, I plan to apply my skills as a jewelry designer for different design companies, along with continue my passion for studio art in artist residencies wherever they find me. And I'm just beyond confident that the skills I've learned at Southwestern are going to lead me to success.